Welcome to Solver Fee.
First, we are going to write the given data. It is given that maximum torque developed by the motor is m equal to 0.8 Newton meter. Mu(s) is coefficient of static friction equal to 0.3. Drawing the free body diagram of motor as I am drawing here. So draw it more carefully and write all the force acting on it. Here it is T1, here it is T2, and this is point B. Here it is By, here it is Bx. Now it is given that it is 20 mm. Now going further, angle of contact is equal to beta is equal to 180 degrees equal to pi. We know that T2 is equal to T1 e to the power mu beta. So T2 is equal to 2.5663 T1. That is our equation 1. Taking moment about point B, summation of MB is equal to 0. On going further, we can write T2 minus T1 into 20 minus M is equal to 0, or T2 into 2.5663 minus 1 into 20 is equal to 0.8 into 10 power 3, or T1 is equal to 800 by 31.326. So T1 is 25.538. Now from equation 1 we have T2 is equal to 2.5663 into 25.538. So T2 is equal to 65.538 Newton. Now drawing free body diagram of member AC. So draw it more carefully as I am drawing here, showing all the forces acting on it. Here it is T1 and here it is T1, and here angle is 30 degree. And now at this side, here it is point C, Cx and Cy is force, and at angle 45 degree, and here it is Fs, and at a distance 50 mm. So now going further, we can write taking moment about C. So summation of MC is equal to 0, or minus Fs into 50 plus T1 into 100 cos 45 plus T1 sin 30 degree into 100 cos 45 plus T1 cos 30 degree into 100 sin 45 is equal to 0. On solving, we can write as 50 Fs is equal to 25.538 into 100 cos 45 into 1 plus sin 30 plus cos 30. On solving, we can write Fs is equal to 4272.59 by 50. So Fs is 85.45 Newton. Now going further, we will write smallest spring tension required to hold the belt from slipping is 85.45 Newton. That is our